I'm at Charlemont Luas stop above the Grand Canal parade, Grand Canal and Charlemont place. So it's not exactly the same location of the old three-span Harker Street girder bridge. It's not too far away though, but you can see down there the embankment. That's the original 1850s embankment there. That's swung down to Ranelagh. On this side you'll be able to see there's the embankment there. So they were able to repurpose that embankment for the Luas. So because they ripped up all the infrastructure in 1959 and 50 years later, not 50 years later, 40 plus years later, the Luas opened in 2004, so the construction work started in the early 2000s, so they had to build a ramp, as you can see ahead of me, that goes down to street level. So the Harker Street alignment finishes here. This bridge isn't on the same alignment, so roughly where the Hilton Hotel is there, it's where the original bridge was. So we're looking at there, straight across, and then Albert Place. You had a rail overbridge at Albert Place. These all pictures can be seen on the James or the National Library collection, and fantastic collection. We took a lot of pictures after the closure of the line. So the locomotive shed would have been just beyond those apartments there, and then you would have had 6 roads spanning out, going over the Adelaide and Harcourt Road Bridge. Before Harcourt Road Bridge was the original terminus in 1854, so they put it in a temporary terminus there until they built the Harker Street station, which was open for 1859. So the goods yard really was out of use by 1950. So and then the steam stopped in 56, I think it was 55, 56. The steam stopped, so it was just the rail cars for the final few years of the line, 56 to 58. So a lot of the infrastructure, the goods yard would have been abandoned, and the loco shed obviously as well. So they only had one platform, of course. So thanks for watching this video, and